Bonjour à tous, привет, konnichiwa. So welcome back again. My name is Jesse, and in this one-hour tutorial, learn about how to add colors to your Click CLI application. So now let's see how to do that. So in case you're on Windows, you just need to install this particular package. Click install Colorama, right? So Colorama is going to allow you to be able to use colors with Click. That is if you're on Windows. If you're on Linux, it will be straight away with it. Okay, perfect. So now let's see how to work with it. So I'm just going to save this particular file as our color CLI.py. We are creating a simple file to work with it. So we're just going to import Click and then our if main function, and then let's create our simple function. So def main pass. Okay, so the advantage of Click is that when you are working with Colorama, you don't need to import Colorama again. So just go straight away because it's already integrated with Click. So we just go straight away without importing it. Now let's add some stuff to it, some options and some arguments. So it's going to be click decorator dot command, then our click dot option. We're going to supply some arguments, right? Some optional arguments. So name, and then let's give it a short form -n. Perfect. So we're going to pass in our name here. Then we're going to pass in, we're going to echo it out. So click dot echo. Let's use a string for today. It's going to be my name is whatever, right? The name that was applied. So perfect. So that is something simple. So let's see whether our app is going to run. So Python color CLI -- help. Perfect. The help works well, and then let's see whether if I add a name to it, it's going to work. Name Brad. Perfect. So my name is Brad, right? So that is something simple that we are doing. My name is not Brad anyway. That's something that we are doing. So how do we add colors to it to make it to change the color itself from a different color from the default color? So to do that, just going to go straight away with click.style, right? So that is the basic idea. So it's going to put this entire stuff here into a tuple based on what you want to do. So let's put this entire stuff inside a tuple, and then you're going to put it here as click.style. Let me expand this .style. So this click.style is going to take several arguments, right? So the first one is the text itself that you're taking, and then it's going to take in some other optional argument. It's going to be your foreground. So let's say the foreground is going to be red. Okay. So that is not all, but then you must close it. Okay. So it's supposed to take another additional bracket to make it work perfectly. So that you have 1, 2, 3 for this, this for this one, and then this one for the click echo. Let's save it and then let's run it. So if I come back to this place and I run it, my name is Brad. You can see that it's giving us a red color, right? It's giving this one as a red color. So I can change this one from red to, let's say, something different. Let's give it as blue, and then if I change it to blue and I run the same command again, blue, right? My name is blue. So that's how to add colors to your Click CLI. So there are several arguments you can also supply. You can also supply a background color, BG for background. Then let's give that background as, let's say, white. And if I save it and I run the same script that we had here, it's going to give us as white. You see that it's giving the background as white, and then the color itself, the foreground, as black. You can also add some bolding to it. You can also make it bold. So let's say bold is equal to true, right? You set bold to true. So let's set bold to true. Then let's work on it and see how it's going to work. So now if I run it, that's bolding it, right? I don't know whether you can see it all. So that is one of the things it works about. So there are several arguments you can also add. You can add several colors to it based on what you want. So this is echo and then the style, right? But Click is so nice that it so gives you the option of running the same thing in a different format. So let's see how to run that one. So that in that case, it's going to be click.circle. right? So circle means that star echo. Instead of doing click echo and then click your star, just go with click circle and you paste in whatever thing that you want to do. So let's paste in this, and then let's make it here. Then let's comment this one out. I'm going to comment this one out so that this goes with this, and then we don't need the last one. Okay, perfect. So that this is circle. So the circle is click echo star, right? Star echo. Okay. So if you run the same thing, you're going to receive the same result. So Brad is star. So let's change it from blue to different color. So let's say blue to green, right? I go with blue to green, and then I run this particular stuff we had here. Let's change the name from, let's clear it and change the name from Brad to, let's say, David. Perfect. See that has changed it to green. It's not the best, but at least we manage. Right, so that is one of the things about working with colors in Click. So thank you for watching this tutorial. In case you have any question or contribution, you can just put inside the comment section so that everybody can benefit. So the main idea is that you can either use Click star, right? Or you can just combine the two of them and go with Click circle to be able to do the two of them. There are several options you can also work on. So thank you, and then please do follow and subscribe. Stay blessed.